Physics in Brief presents Target JEE Main 2019. This is an initiative to offer all-in-one complete in-depth course for JEE Main. And the best part is, it is absolutely free with no hidden costs. Course contents: Number 1, Mathematical Prerequisites. Number 2, Kinematics. Number 3, Laws of Motion. Number 4, Work Power and Energy. Number 5, Rotational Motion. Number 6, Gravitation. Number 7, Properties of Solids and Liquids. Number 8, Thermodynamics. Number 9, Kinetic Theory of Gases. Number 10, Oscillations and Waves. Number 11, Electrostatics. Number 12, Current Electricity. Number 13, Magnetic Effects of Current and Magnetism. Number 14, Electromagnetic Induction and Alternating Currents. Number 15, Electromagnetic Waves. Number 16, Ray Optics. Number 17, Wave Optics. Number 18, Dual Nature of Matter and Radiation. Number 19, Atoms and Nuclei. Number 20, Electronic Devices. Number 21, Communication Systems. Course features: this course is entirely free, with no hidden costs, with in-depth explanation of all topics, and shortcut tips and tricks. You can also give weekly tests, monthly tests, assignments, and mock tests for free. We also offer doubt clearance support through Ask Questions section, and revision notes after completion of each lessons. So what are you waiting for? Visit physicsinbrief.com to enroll to this free course now, and get the impetus to boost your rank. All the best!